This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Friday, July 17, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. Markets closed lower on Friday, July 17th, as the Nasdaq led a broad pullback driven by tech earnings fallout and geopolitical noise. With crypto sentiment hitting extreme fear and oil pinballing between key levels, the focus shifts to what remains on the calendar for next week.
Let's look at the closing numbers. The S&P 500 tracked by SPY finished at $75.72, down 0.5%. The Nasdaq 100 tracked by QQQ took the hardest hit, closing at $705.94, down 1.64%. The Dow Jones tracked by Diamonds was relatively stable at $524.83, down 0.2%.
Turning to corporate news, the headline risk came from the crypto and AI sectors. Core Scientific turned lower after fourth quarter results disappointed, signaling that the street is tightening its grip on growth expectations in the crypto mining space.
Macro data remains sticky. The latest consumer price index, year over year, sits at 3.46%, while core PCE, or personal consumption expenditures, is at 3.41%. Both figures remain well above the Federal Reserve's 2% target, maintaining hawkish pressure on policymakers.
Risk signals are elevated, primarily driven by sentiment and geopolitical friction. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has plunged to 14 out of 100, indicating extreme fear. This correlates with the Nasdaq's underperformance and suggests a risk-off posture among retail and algorithmic traders.
Here is what to watch next. First, monitor the VIX. If it holds below 16, the extreme fear in crypto may be isolated. If it breaks above 18, we could see a broader rotation out of growth stocks. Second, watch the 10-year Treasury yield. A break above 4.6% could pressure high-multiple tech names further.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.